Once again, hello to everybody. FutureTrend channel presents its view of Euro crosses for the date of 25th May 2018. Here the situation is still very different depending on the pair. As regarding the Euro-Yen, the pair is still affected by geopolitical tensions between North Korea and the United States, and at the same time we have some continuous troubles with Italian policy. Taking all of that into account, the Euro-Yen, from our point of view, still have some potential to extend its current decline. That's why we're still trading on the lower side, around 128.30. We haven't seen any kind of stronger correction for last couple of days, and while we are trading below 131.90, where lies 2018 downtrend, the pair should remain extremely unsupported and extremely weak. Probably not extremely, but anyway, take into consideration some kind of risks associated with this pair, as we already mentioned. Italian politics and geopolitical tensions. That means that Euro-Yen should remain under the pressure, under the downside pressure at the moment of writing. We will use a possible uptick to 130 level to initiate a new short position with a close stop above 130.20. Again, in case of another testing of the important resistance barrier located at around 131.40, we will resell the currency with a stop above aforementioned downtrend line. Euro sterling, here the situation still remains rather stable. We see that really for the last couple of even weeks this kind of pair traded really in the kind of very narrow range. Here the situation still remains longer term speaking negative one, while we are trading below the level of 88.25, where lies the downtrend of 2017-2018. Anyway, the nearest future is still very unclear for the euro sterling, and from that point of view we are still undecided regarding what kind of position to take in this kind of pair in the nearest future. Anyway, we are inclined to sell the currency on a possible uptick and the possible retest of aforementioned downtrend line with a stop above a moving average 200 daily line located around 0.8857 right now. The Euro-Swiss franc, here the situation still remains quite clear. The pair is in free fall starting from the highs registered on 13 May, and we already see that the pair made around 4 big figures of falling starting from that time. But to say the truth, the pair should remain, first of all, under the downside pressure while trading below 116.70, where lies immediate kind of downtrend. At the same time, here lies around 116.60, 116.50 lies moving average daily moving average 200 daily line around 116.51. While we are trading below that line, the pair should remain ripe for another swing lower. In that case, we predict the pair could retest the lows of February 2018 located around 114.45, 114.50. But in the extreme cases, we even could see a retest of the important support barrier around 112.5. Euro ruble, here the situation still remains from a shorter term point of view negative, while we are trading below immediate kind of downtrend located at the moment around 73.10, and while below that line the euro ruble should remain fragile for another swing lower. But from a longer term point of view, the pair should remain buoyant while trading above 2017-2018 uptrend line that's located today around 70.90. That's why we will use a possible undershooting of the level of 71 to enter a new engagement a new long position in the euro ruble with the stop below psychologically important level of 70, where also lies 200 daily moving line at 70.25 right now. Thank you very much. Some later we will come with our analysis of commodity block of currencies. It was your Future Trend channel with you.